I'm Alice, an artist and educator, and my practice is about weaving communities between people and ecology. Augmented reality as a medium offers a spatial context that is central to my work. With AR, I can situate memories, myths, and visions directly into the physical environment and create rich and interactive experiences to be easily shared with others. In this way, I'm creating portals across time and place to help ground us in ancestral wisdom in a time of ecological disruption. As a first-generation Chinese-American immigrant, I think a lot about my roots. Besides my parents and grandparents, there are also ecological ancestors that have taken care of us over the generations. In this project, I want to honor some of the relationships with edible plants that have played a part in my family's journey. With Adobe Aero, I can bring these oral histories to life with depth and richness as an interactive experience. I modeled the plants in VR, added animations and textures, and then situated them in Aero within a 3D sketch of the hill where my dad's family used to live. When composing a 3D environment, I find it really important to communicate depth so that the viewer can feel drawn to move around and explore. I designed a simple guide path, and with some quick animation in Aero, a few transparent images can go a long way. I then worked with the sound designer to create a localized audio presence for each plant that, when paired with some visual animation of growth, really awakens that area as the viewer comes into proximity. My mother and I then recorded bilingual narrations that play when the viewer taps the Mandarin Chinese or English name of the plant.
微风吹过来，真的是心旷神怡的那种感受。
The refreshing wind carried the scent of their flowers through the air. Altogether, Aero's interactive features make it possible to design a layered storytelling experience that really feels like being enveloped in a living ancestral memory, and it's so special to be able to share that with others, wherever they are. I particularly love showing virtual work in physical contexts to activate a collective imagination with my local community. For this project, I added the QR code onto some live seedlings that I grew of heritage plants that are familiar to me and my cuisine, and exchanged them with others who brought their own stories of ecological resilience. It's so necessary that we honor these memories, not just to reminisce, but to actively renew our relationships with our food, locales, and in turn ourselves. The artwork creates an opening that extends into real relationships between people and plants, and that to me feels like the power of using AR for social and ecological healing.